Good morning, dear student. Suraj School Revari presenting explanation of grammar topic, that is verbs conditional. I am Mrs. Bubbly, TGT English teacher, a faculty of Suraj School Revari. Let's start with today's topic. The topic is conditional. Conditional sentence. What do you mean by conditional sentence? A conditional sentence is one in which one of the clause, that is if clause, lay down the condition for the action expressed in the second clause, that is main clause, to be performed. यहाँ पर क्या है? द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इफ क्लॉज जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है वो ले डाउन करेगा द रिजल्ट ऑफ एक्शन, दैट इज मेन वर्ब का रिजल्ट करेगा. आई कैन एक्सप्लेन यू दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल. इफ आई हैड मनी आई वुड हैव बॉट दीज बुक्स. अगर मनी होते तो मैं ये बुक्स ले आती या ले आता. कंडीशंस. दिस इज द कंडीशन इफ एंड इफ क्लॉज. ये कंडीशन सेंटेंस है एंड इट इज ऑल्सो इफ क्लॉज. एंड दिस सेंटेंस, दिस कंप्लीट सेंटेंस इज प्रोबेबल एक्शन, द एक्शन based on if clause, and this is called as main clause. This one is after the comma the sentence is main clause, and before the comma the sentence with if is if clause. Kinds of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence is divided into four types. First one is type 0, type 1, type 2 and type 3. So type 1 express to describe journal truth, scientific fact. Type 1 describe the probable condition. Type 2 describe the improbable condition. Type 3 describe impossible condition, which is not possible at all. We'll study this one by one with the help of a flow table. Patterns in conditional clause. This is the type, form, use and example. Type 0. First we'll see the explanation of type 0. If when you do A, B result. मीन्स यहाँ पर क्या बोला है, हमारे पास दो सेंटेंस है. एज यू कैन सी इन दिस two sentences are there. So this is the A sentence and this is called as B sentence. So when you do A, B result. जब आप A करते हो B आपका रिजल्ट देता है. मीन्स इफ क्लॉज अगर होता है तो उसमें जो मेन क्लॉज है वो रिजल्ट देता है. इसका रूल क्या है? इफ सिंपल प्रेजेंट सेंटेंस होना चाहिए and the second sentence, that is main clause, should also be simple present. If both the sentence are given in simple present tense, it is considered as 0 type conditional. If the sentence, both the sentence, that is if clause and main clause, are in simple present tense, it will be considered as type 0. Sometime we will use are, is, am, even that is called considered as simple present. Use. Where you will use it. As I told you before, to describe journal truth or scientific fact. Journal truth and scientific fact. Examples. If there are dark clouds in the sky, it rains heavily. So this is just a if there are dark is simple present. It rains, it is also simple present. So that means this will be 0 type. Now first type conditional. First type conditional, when do A, B will, might, could result. अगर आप A करते हो B रिजल्ट दे सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी, प्रॉबेबली वो रिजल्ट दे सकता है. द स्ट्रक्चर इज इफ First sentence will be simple present and second will be with will, that is future sentence. As you can see in the example, if Ritu gets up early, she will go for the मॉर्निंग वॉक. अगर वो उठ जाती है तो वो मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाएगी. और ये यूज़ होता है टू डिस्क्राइब अ पॉसिबल कंडीशन एंड इट्स प्रोबेबल रिजल्ट. मूव ऑन टू सेकेंड. If when you did A, B would might could result. Same as the first type, but the difference is the sentence will be of simple, the if clause will be of simple past and the main clause will include would. It is used to describe unlikely to happen, which is not probable to happen. Its probable result to describe an unreal situation, which is not real. For example, if your parent were here to see your performance, they would feel proud of you. Performance is already done, so it is unlikely to happen now. The third one, if when you had done A, B would might have result, means same, it has to be have word will be given here. In this sentence will be past perfect. Would, with would it will be have plus past participle to describe an unreal past condition which is impossible to happen, जो नहीं हो सकता है उसके लिए. For example, if the police had shown the restraint, the situation would not have gone out of the control. I hope this is clear. We'll see some example for this. Identify the pattern in the given condition sentence and drag 0, 1 or 3, means type 1, type 0, 1, 2 and 3 in the space provided. If I know where he lived, I would go and visit him. See here, this is your, sorry, this part is your if clause and this is your main clause. Now, if clause is given in which type of sentence? It is of simple past. This is of simple past. And I would go and visit him. I would. The word is given would. Where we are using the word would, it is of type 2. So, the answer of this will be second type. Second one, if we have a calculator, we will be able to work this out a lot quicker. If we have a calculator, this is a present because have used in present. Has, have, is, am, are, these are of present. So we'll consider this as a simple present. We will word is given, that is the future. So this will be type 1. अब यहाँ पर देखिए, द प्लम्बर, द पुडिंग वुड हैव टेस्टेड बेटर. सो हेयर मेन क्लॉज इज गिवन बिफोर, would have is given. Would have will consider in the third type. So it is in the third type. No need to see the second sentence itself. With would have only you have identified that it is third type. Iron rust if it gets wet. So simple present, simple present. The condition will be 0 condition. If you open the drawer, simple present, will. So this will be the first condition. Move on to next. If we were to participate in the program, were. So it is simple past. We would give our names to the teacher. We would is given. If only would given, type 2. Just see 3 things. First will be both the sentence simple 0. Simple present and simple past. First one will. Second would. and the for third condition it will be would have. So see here what is given, would not have is given, so directly write down the third. See here what is given is are, both are simple present, so it means it is a zero condition. I hope the conditional is clear. Thank you student, have a great day.